Normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Our section of this broadcast, and especially the one-to-one tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, probably more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The one-to-one tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Squam Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Bend, Delaware up 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly 10th of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
This concludes the weekly 10th of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.